Jai. Welcome to the third episode of Message from Our Mentors. Today on the channel we have the HOD B.Sc Nautical Science, Captain Ajay Yadav Sir. Thank you sir for being on the channel. He is a captain by profession. He started sailing in the year 1991 with these Indias. He loves discipline, he trains his cadets very well, and at the same time he maintains a decorum in the class so that no cadet is in indiscipline mode. So without wasting time, let's get straight to it with the questions. Sir, please tell me about your sea career and for the time you have sailed on.
Sea career, I started my cadetship from India Steam Navigation Company, and that was a company where the pioneer company of India, and we had a different kind of training there. It was more important focus was always given on the training and discipline, and the kind of training we got, it's all well known all over the world that India's training and India's cadets are always best. So that kind of training we were given. We had additional masters on board to train the cadets, who was in charge of the cadets. Special training was given to us when we were sailing on board. And during the third officer, second officer's time also as junior cadet in India's, it was really great that we could learn quite a lot from our seniors and captains, and including the cargo were part of country also.
So sir, the Sindhyas always train their cadets to be the best. That's the reason you also focus on the betterment, bringing out the best from the cadets here also.
Yes, that is one thing that definitely, as I am trained best, so I want you all to be trained fair, in the best way. And secondly, today's requirement of the industry is that what we are looking at is not only placing the cadets on board, we have to capture the international market there,
yes,
to compete with the other nationalities. For that reason, I would prefer that cadets have to be the best, knowledgeable, well-disciplined. So that is what is my always intention while I am training you.
And so, which all companies and vessels you switched in your sailing career?
My sailing career, I started with India's, then I switched over to Eurasia ship management those days. Now it is Barnard Schulte. And then after that, I shifted to Fleet Management Limited, and I moved out from the shore job in fleet management, and then after a few years I shifted here into aviation.
Okay sir, when did you join MANET and what was the reason behind joining MANET?
I am settled here in Pune, and I was here associated with the MANET as an external examiner for about 2 years. I was on the board of studies for about 2 years, and it so happened that there was a requirement, and then questions came up. Then as I was here in settled in Pune, I was running my own business, so I said, okay, I will done the MANET.
Okay sir, so what do you find the best thing about the cadets of MANET?
Best thing of the cadets, they are all good, little naughty, but that is what they should be. They should be little naughty, but they're good in studies, and perfection is required. And that's good, all are good.
Like all-rounder, not only batsman or not only the bowler?
Yes, they are good in all-rounder basically. You can talk about the sports, you can talk about the cultural activities, you can talk about the other participation in other papers, putting up the papers and all that in the industries, they are all active.
Yes sir. So sir, I would like to ask, like we know what we are being taught here. So the people who are viewing this, like those who don't know about purchasing, so can you explain in brief what do we learn here in B.Sc Nautical Science degree?
See, in B.Sc Nautical Science, what we teach is basically we are training you to go on board and work in the deck department. So your ranks will start from third officer. First you join as a cadet, then third officer, second officer, chief officer, and a captain of the ship. Ultimately, your aim is always there to become a captain of the ship. And we are professionally training here B.Sc Nautical Science cadets to learn the professional subjects and keep clearing the exams which are conducted by the Government of India, Market and Management Department, and at the first attempt and keep clearing it so that fastest way over within 6-7 years you can become a captain.
So you have been on waters for more than 2 decades, and here also on land. Which was the best, like being on waters or being on land?
Of course, both have got different pros and cons. Yes, being on the water, that was my ultimate dream. So that is why I went there. And after serving 20 years, more than 20 years at sea, then I was called in the office to sit in the office and look after the ships. So then I started this chapter. So that chapter continued.
I've also heard that you were the superintendent also.
Yes, that is what in the office when I went there, I was superintendent, then senior superintendent, manager, then senior manager. So all those things are there in the office. You keep on getting promotions.
What about the extra masters?
Extra masters. Extra masters is basically a degree which, if you are good, you like to study more, you like to get more knowledge. It's always best to have that extra masters degree. Extra masters is not simple like a normal degree. It is very tough, and you need to really give a hard work for it. So within 2 years you can complete your all written papers. There are 4 parts, A, B, C, D, and part A, B, C are having 3 papers each, and part D is basically this is what you are writing, and it will be once it gets approved, then you get the extra mark.
Okay, sir. That was actually quite a good information for those who are actually they are like in the mood of pursuing extra masters. So, any one experience on waters which you think that was the best, like in the terms of learning on board?
Learning on board, it's always for not only for the cadets, it's for every officer, everybody on board. There is a learning process continuously going on, that is day and night. So can't specifically say that one particular incident where I learned more. I've been learning quite a lot at sea, and it will be definitely there for everybody who goes out at sea.
Any incident that will always be there with you, you will never forget?
Any incident? Good or bad?
Good, sir.
Good incident. Good incident is basically good cannot be incident.
Okay.
Incident has to be something bad. So it was in a Roberts Bank, that is a port in Canada. We were loading coal, and ship was about to complete the loading, that escape cycle carrier. I went down the pilot ladder, and suddenly I felt something fell down. I was just about 2-3 meters above the water. That time I felt something fell in the water from the top. And chief officer, I was second officer, and chief officer was watching from the top. And I thought chief officer fell down. So I started calling, Chief, where are you? And then he said, okay Ajay, I'm here. And he said that time I could see huge whale coming with the jaw opening and trying to catch me. And then immediately with the speed of light I went up on the deck. I was completely sweating in the winter.
That brought your heart to your mouth, I guess.
Yes.
That was actually like a dreadful situation.
Yes.
Like these are the situations we can normally encounter on board.
That's actually it was actually friendly whale. That's what those people there in the port working there. So they said that was a very friendly whale there. That when you just came close to it. That's it.
Okay, sir. So any message to the cadets or the young minds, those who want to join merchant navy, and like they have the perception that it's easy money. So
perception, easy money is definitely not there. There is wrong perception they have. It's a really hard work what you put up there on the ship. And thing is that like the people who work on the ship, when they come back home after serving on the ship for 6 to 8 months, so they immediately forget the hard work they have done on the ship. They become happy when they come home, and they never discuss that hard work here and show with the people. And that is why that hard work is not known. So you have to put in hard work there. There is a lot of responsibility on everyone, every person working on the ship. There is a responsibility to them, and that you have to fulfill. And Yes, definitely. You have been paid good enough for that hard work what you are doing, and then you come back and then definitely you always forget that hard work and you start enjoying your life again.
So I hope this was the video which benefited most of you seeing this, and those who want to join merchant navy, I hope it benefited also. So thank you, sir,
Thank you.
for giving the
All
time.
the best.
Thank you.